Presenting a pre-owned 2009 Lamborghini Gallardo LP560-4. This two-door coupe has a 10-cylinder, 5.2-liter V10 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Lamborghini is a great value with less than 14,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 12 miles per gallon in the city, and 20 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include automatic climate control, MP3 player, anti-lock brakes, keyless entry, power steering, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and power windows.